Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So want to give a trade recap of all the trades I took last week. So I'm going to start with gold, then we'll work our way through US30 and NASDAQ. So on Monday we had our Monday setup. This is 9:30 candle right here. This is so mark the high and the low. We had a break above. We entered for our buy, but you guys see that we immediately got stopped out of the trade. So that's how our Monday trade went. So on our Tuesday setup, this is our Tuesday setup here. So this is our 9:30 candle. Mark out the high and the low of our 9:30 candle. So we are in a very strong bullish trend this week. So I did not see the need to sell. Do you get? We are in a very strong bullish trend. So I didn't see the need to sell. So that's why I did not see this break here. I did not take it because it didn't take this low. Can see that we have a very strong low that has been here. This is one, this is two, this is three, this is four. So it didn't even come close to even breaking it. So there was no point entering a sell here. So that was the reason I just waited for a break above the opening range, and we got that here. So I entered for my buy, then stops at the low, and you guys can see we hit our 1 to 2 targets right here. This is our Tuesday trade. So our Wednesday trade, same thing. You can see 1, 2, 3. We didn't go below this low, so but we didn't even break below. So we had a rejection here. This is our opening range candle here. So we had a break above. We entered for our buy after they came back for a retest. Entered for our buy. Stops at the low. Our target is a 1 to 2, and you guys can see we hit our take profit. That was our Wednesday trade. So our Thursday trade. This is our Thursday setup here. This is our 9:30 candle. This is our opening range. Mark the high and the low. We had a break, came back for a retest. We entered for the buy, stops at the low. Our target is a 1 to 2. As you guys can see, we hit our take profit. So that's our Thursday trade. So this week gold was just we are just having buy setups because it was the trend is we are in a very strong bullish trend on gold this week. So we are just having buys. So this is our Friday setup here. This is our 9:30 candle, our opening range. Mark the high and the low. We had a break above. We entered after the close. Stops at the low. Our target is a 1 to 2, and you guys can see we hit our take profit here nicely. So that's how all my trades went on gold. We had one loss, 4 wins on gold this week. So let's go to US30. So US30 and NASDAQ setups have been messy, like very messy setups this week. So this is our Monday's trade on US30. This is our opening range here, our opening range candle. Mark the high and the low. We had a break below. We entered for our sell. Stops at the high. Our target is a 1 to 1.5. As you guys can see, we hit our take profit. So that's our Monday's trade. So for our Tuesday setup, this is our Tuesday setup here. This is our opening range candle. We mark the high and the low. We had a break above. Came back for a retest. Entered for the buy. Stops at the low. Our target is a 1 to 1.5. As you guys can see, we hit our take profit here. That's our Tuesday trade. So our Wednesday trade ended up being a break-even trade because this is our opening range candle here. We marked the high and the low. We had a break above. Came back for multiple retests. So after we took this high, I broke even. So expecting it to go, keep going up, but it came back down and took us out at break even. Then we now have our Thursday trade, which is this trade here. This is our 9:30 candle here, our opening range candle. So we had a break below. I didn't enter this trade. So what happened was I had other things I was doing, so I actually missed this setup. 9:30 candle, our opening range candle. we had a break above, and we actually had a break below first. Then market now came back up and took the high also. So it happens like this sometimes, especially on Nasdaq and US30, where market will just fluctuate like range within the high and the low, and won't have any direction throughout the day. So that's what just happened here. Just range, didn't have a direction. Then in the next day, during the next day opening range, we now had our move. So that's how our Thursday's trade went. No entry, no bias, no direction. This is our Friday's opening range candle here. This candle. So mark the hand below of our opening range. We had the break below, came back for the retest. We entered for our sell, stops at the high. Our target is a 1 to 1.5, and you guys can see we hit our take profit here. So yeah, that's how all our trades went on US30. That's how our trades went on US30. So US30 and Nasdaq have been very, very choppy this week. Like the structure has been choppy. It's not as clean as gold has been choppy, but we'll keep doing what we are doing. The goal here is consistency. So we just keep doing what we are doing and let every other thing play out by itself. So these are Nasdaq setup here. These are Monday's setup. These are opening range candle. So mark the high and the low of our opening range candle. We had the break above. We came close to our TP, but we ended up going back, and this trade took me out at break even. So yeah, that's our Monday setup. So these are Tuesday setup. This is our opening range candle here. We mark the high and the low. We had a break above. We came back for the retest, multiple retests. Then we entered for our buy. Stops at the low. Our target is a 1 to 1.5. As you guys can see, we hit our take profit here. So yeah, that's our Tuesday setup. Then our Wednesday setup. This is our opening range candle here. We marked the high and the low. We had a break above. We came back for the retest. We entered for our buy. Stops at the low. Our target is a 1 to 1.5. And you guys can see we hit our take profit here. That's our Wednesday trade. So same thing as our US30 trade. I didn't enter the trade. I missed out on this trade. So even if I missed the buy, I would have gotten like stopped out on the buy. At least I would have caught a double trade on this Friday setup. But I just missed it. I had a lot of stuff I was doing, so I didn't pick this trade. So this is our opening range here. This candle mark the high and the low. We had a break above. Same thing it did. Then came down. Then ranged throughout. Range within the opening range candle. Then before it now broke out in Friday's opening range. So that's Thursday's range. Then this is our Friday's opening range here. So mark the high and the low. So we broke out of the low, stops at the high. Our target is a 1 to 1.5. And you guys can see we hit our take profit here. So yeah, that's how all my trades went on my 3 pairs this week. I know that at the point the videos can get boring, but that's how trading should be. Trading should be boring, consistent, doing the same thing every time. So that's just it. Trading is boring. It's boring when you are doing it right. So that's how it should be. So thanks for watching, guys. This is Lanky Trader. If you like videos like this, please like, share, subscribe, and click that bell icon so that the YouTube algorithm can push my videos to more people like you. Alright, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.